In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 160 by 8 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 8, so we will consider the number 16. We know that 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 8, so we will bring down this 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0, so we can remove 1 0. And we know that 8 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 160 divided by 8 is equal to 20. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.